3, go.
Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Jocelyn Coliero. I am 40 years old. I have 2 kids, 21 years old and 8 years old. I am single mother. I have working at Saudi Arabia, 2 years finished contract. I'm from Philippines.
Okay. Do you have experience take care the baby?
Yes, Mom, I have.
How old?
12 years old and 7 months, Mom.
Okay. So, when the baby's crying, what will you do?
When the baby's crying, maybe I need to check the diaper. When halfway or poo, so need to change the diaper, and also need to drink the milk, and also need to check the temperature when have fever, and need to tell to mom the baby have fever, and also asking about the medicine, mom.
Okay. Do you know how to clean the house?
Yes, mom.
Like what?
Like cleaning the house, iron the clothes, wash the clothes, and vacuum the floor, and mopping the floor.
So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, mom, I can do
Like what?
like chicken wings, beef, meat, and fish, steamed fish, steamed meat, and egg.
Okay. Okay na.